pay and manage your bills within digital banking. Let's get started. In the navigation, click Menu. Tap Bill Pay. Select Add a new biller. You can search your biller to add by entering the organization's name. Or you can add the biller manually. When adding manually, you will enter the biller's name, address, city, state, and zip code. Once submitted, you will receive confirmation that the biller was added successfully. Select the account you would like to pull the payment from. Enter the amount you would like to pay and choose your payment date preference. You may even set up a recurring payment by toggling the slider on. Once you've entered the information, review the details one last time before submitting the payment. Under Bill Pay, you can view any upcoming and past payments under the Smart View tab. You can also manage billers in the Manage Billers tab.